was 9 years old, I had a terrible accident, and I had to spend so much time in the hospital, and it really sparked my desire and purpose to work in the healthcare field. The level of care I was given while in the hospital for that extended time is something that I am forever grateful for. My name's Carly Michael, and I'm currently involved as a research assistant in the geology department. I work with paleontology and fossils that are billions of years old. Around campus, I am bettering my education in order to be able to give a higher level of care to those who need it, and one day become a dentist who does serve all.
I was fortunate enough to grow up in a home with 2 loving parents and a twin brother. They filled my life with constant love, support, and laughter, but that didn't mean I was blind to the world around me. My name is Maddie Thomas, and I am a pre-dentistry major, and I'm also pursuing the IACT Certificate here at Dayton. I just got back from leading the brigade to Nicaragua, and I was in charge of dental inventory. Everything that I've done has come from my love for math and science. That's really been the catalyst, and what has propelled me forward was experience.
Towards the end of high school, I went on hikes to blow off steam during a pretty rough time in my life, and every once in a while I actually looked up and saw the beauty around me. My name is Colin Joern. I'm studying mechanical engineering here at UD. I have a minor in sustainability, energy, and the environment, concentration in energy systems, and I'm pursuing the certificate program with IACT. I'm the co-lead of a club on campus called Revolve. We are currently running a campaign for Mission of Mary Cooperative. Part of the idea for a bus addressing oral health and sustainability stemmed from this involvement with Mission of Mary.
Maddie, Colin, and I are working on this mobile bus that combines a grocery store along with a mobile dental clinic to provide access to both of those services that are lacking in the Dayton area.
We were looking at where dentistry and sustainability might collide, and we realized that the food from urban farms like Mission of Mary were also very beneficial for people's oral health.
So we're looking at overall sustainment. How can we make a community healthy in all ways? How we can innovate the idea of sustainment so that we can further develop a framework and find the resources that can work for multiple communities, regardless of how different they are.
Living in the 21st century, there is no denying that we are part of a global society, and when you have the ability to think about how your actions and your work influence not just yourself and your immediate circle, but rather the whole of humanity, you begin to see the bigger picture, and in my opinion, make more informed decisions.